Okay, so after we combining all the scores and now we have our winner. Should we just announce it? Or okay, so the winner is Group 2. Benjamin Chase, Marcella Hastings, Monica Trimoska, Siam Umar Hussein. Great, congratulations. And we have the prizes, which is a drone. Although it's in Microsoft bag, it's not Microsoft product. So yeah, it's a real drone. It's not a toy. Something you can take picture. You know? Come on stage. Yeah.
So we kind of want to wrap up by, first of all, thanking everyone. We're so delighted to have you. It was so great to meet all of you and find out what you're working on. We hope that many of you will apply for internships, both in our group and in other groups and in the other labs, both this year and in future years. We can't hire everyone this year into our group, but there's a lot of good fit with different projects that you're working on and things that we have interest in. Obviously, we really want to capitalize on all the great work that you've done here. So we are planning to put these video presentations online publicly. So there's one person that already expressed a concern. So afterwards, let's follow up and discuss it. If there's anybody else that has a concern about that, please come up and discuss it with us. Next point is, as we've said several times, we really encourage you to keep working with your groups on your write-up. So if you can take your two-pager and respond to a lot of the questions that you were asked, we really felt like all of the presentations were good and they all had strong ideas, and some had more complicated protocols, which is was a plus on the novelty side, but that meant that they had either more details to work out or more potential attack surfaces, that kind of thing. So if you would keep working together, and I would say like mid-January would be like the absolute deadline for getting something to us, because early February we're going to run the standardization workshop. And we can work on writing protocol specifications for protocols that seem to be really promising from what you've come up with here. But in my experience, like the sooner the better. So if you can work together, like even over the next week, get as much done as you can, but try to get us to your final 2 to 5 page write-up no later than the end of January. So I think that was all I wanted to say. I just really want to thank everyone. And maybe what we could do is, if we could do group pictures for each group, I think that would be really nice. If you, somebody's shaking their head, but is that okay? Can we do group pictures? Okay, good. All right. Thanks, everyone. Okay, one last thing. I think we should give a big round of applause for 2 people. One is, once again, Wei. Thank you for putting this together. And last but not least, Janus, this would not have happened without you, so thank you so much.
I just have a quick request. I sent out a mail for a survey. You should have already gotten it in your inbox. If everyone could just take 5 minutes to fill it out, it'd be really great for future events. Thank you.